A very good morning, my dear students. Yesterday, we studied the linear equation in one variable. So, what is a linear equation in one variable? An equation that involves only one variable and degree or power of your variable will be 1. Then it is called linear equation in one variable. I told you that the power of your variable must be equal to 1. For example, if I say that x cube plus 5x square plus 4x is equal to 0. It is an equation. Why? Because equal to sign is there. Variable is only x, 5, 4, 1. These are constants. Now, power is, variable of power is 3. Variable of power is 2. Variable of power is 1. So, is it a linear equation? No. Why it is not a linear equation? Because in linear equation, the power of variable will be only equal to 1 or the highest power. Here the highest power of variable is 3. And there is another term in our chapter, that is degree. What is degree? Degree is the highest power of a variable is known as degree. The highest power of a variable is known as degree. So what is the degree of above equation? Above equation is x power 3 plus 5x square plus 4x is equal to 0. What is the highest degree of this variable? The variable is x and highest power is 3. So the highest power will be degree. It means your degree of this equation will be 3. Now let's come to another example. Another example is if I take 5x square plus 4x is equal to 0. Then tell me the degree. Degree will be the highest power and highest power is 2. So the degree will be 2. It means I can say that the degree of your linear equation is equal to 1. Why 1? Because the highest power of variable in a linear equation is 1. The linear equation is 7x plus 3 is equal to 4x plus 2. I am taking this example. It is an equation. It is only of one variable, only x. Is it a linear? Yes. And the power is only 1. The power is only 1. Highest power is 1. It means this is your result, that degree of a linear equation is 1 always. Okay? Now, understood? Let's move to another concept. Another concept is solution of an equation. We have studied equation. What is an equation? What is a linear equation? What is a linear equation in one variable? Now, there is a term that is solution of equation. What is a solution of equation? In simple language, if we have any problem and we generally say that yes, our problem is solved now. What it means? That you have found the solution of your problem. In similar manner, in our mathematics, if we have any equation like 7x plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay? And I have to know, or I have to find that what is the solution of this equation? What will be the solution of this equation? So solution of equation means you have to find the value of variable. You have to find the value of variable that will satisfy your equation. That will satisfy your equation. Or in simple language, you will find the value of your x or your y or z, whatever the variable is present in your equation, you will find the value of your equation or your variable, which when you put in your equation, it will be balanced. Here left hand side equal to right hand side. Both sides are equal. If I put let x is equal to 2. I am putting x is equal to 2 in this equation. 7 multiply 2 plus 4. It will give you 14 plus 4, which is 18. Is 18 equal to 8? No. It means both sides are not equal if I am putting x is equal to 2. It means x is equal to 2, not your solution. Or if I take like x is equal to 1. So 7 multiply 1 plus 4. What it will give? 7 plus 4, 11. Is it equal to 18? No. It means x is equal to 1 is not your solution. The solution of an equation is, we can write as the definition of solution of an equation is, it is the value of the variable which will satisfy your equation. It means your equation will be balanced when you will put the value of that variable. So let us understand the solution of an equation with the help of an activity.